Since we want to create a field generation prompt template, we first have to go to prompt builder. Here you can see all the available standard prompt templates that are given out of the box for you to use. And since we want to create our own prompt template, I'm just clicking on this new prompt template button. So we have different types of prompt templates that are available. The first one is field generation. When we want to generate a value of a particular field, we will be using the field generation prompt template. And then we have record summary. When we want to generate a value of a summary of a particular record, then we will be using this type, which is record summary. And we also have sales email type. When you want to generate a sales email, we'll be using this sales email type. And if your use case doesn't fit in any of these three types, you'll be using the flex template by default, with which this is basically a flexible template which you can use in your invoke from your REST API, Apex class, and everywhere. Experience object from this drop. I'm choosing the experience object.
Object पे लगाना prompt of this.
So this prompt, since we have selected the object as experience and field as description, this particular prompt template will be available for us to use only within the experience object and on the only on the experience record for the description field. We click on next. Setting with the context. So that it will understand from different resources. So for organization name, we will be selecting the name of the organization. And similarly, for all these fields, we will select the values fields from this experience record.
क्या क्या एक बार वो है एक्सपीरियंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या किया
नेम डिफो
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या किया
Type from experience record object.
अपने आप आएगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लिख दो उसको और नेम
Location.
मतलब अपने आप
Similarly, we select the location field.
मतलब आप है
It's the duration field as well.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नंबर डाल देना उसके और डॉट लगा देना लास्ट में तो ठीक है और एक्सपीरियंस ऑब्जेक्ट लगाते
Library and binary capacity. So basically, we have grounded this prompt with data from the experience record. We have set the context, we have given it the instructions and grounded it with data. So now let's see, under this we have a preview section. So we'll see how the prompt is looking like. In the resolution section, you'll see how the prompt, once it is replaced with the actual data. So let me first save this. You can see the preview by selecting the record. So out of the experiences records, I'm picking the yoga record.
एक्टिविटी लेवल एक्सपीरियंस वाला हां
एक्टिविटी लेवल ये
लेवल
Click on. In the resolution section, if you have noticed, it has replaced all the merge fields with actual data.
Okay,
This is how the actual prompt is looking for this particular record.
sunrise
And
Mountain
this is the
yoga.
response that you are seeing. If you can observe,
नहीं किया ना यहाँ
this is the description
resolution.
value that it has created for this right.
नीचे दिखा करना
If you are good and you are okay with this particular response, you can go ahead and activate this prompt template. Otherwise, you can always edit the prompt from here. So
वैसे
on the right side, we have
15 बना चुका है।
template types, available, model types that are available. So I am going ahead and activating this prompt.
एक्टिवेट कर दे
Hope you all are able to follow along with me. Can we run a poll to see if they're following along with me? And choose any of the records.
कोरल खोल कोरल ऐप लॉन्चर से कोरल कोरल क्लाउड खोल
मुझे लग रहा है कॉरल क्लाउड
एक्सपीरियंसेस सनराइज
सनराइज आ रहा हो ये ना
सिलेक्ट करो अब देखो कैसा आता है
Set up icon and choose the edit page option.
जल्दी करो सेटअप पे जाओ एडिट पेज करो
अरे यार ये वो हो जाएगी
हट जाता
सेटअप नहीं
अरे इसने एकदम बीच में कर दिया ना
नहीं, ये-
छोटा कर स्क्रीन को छोटा कर
अरे नहीं होगा मैंने इसको
ये क्या कर दिया अच्छा अब उसको वो कर दो माइनस
इतना माइनस प्लस तो
Under the generative AI section.
क्या करना है?
From here, you can select the prompt template that you have just created.
डिस्क्रिप्शन पे क्लिक कर
So, begin this.
डिस्क्रिप्शन में क्लिक कर यहाँ पर आएगा प्रॉम्प्ट टेम्पलेट उसको क्लिक कर जनरेट एक्सपीरियंस रिफ्रेशन कर इन लोगों आ गया आइंस्टाइन का
That this is AI the name. Save it.
एक चीज
सेव करो
Just go back to the record.
वापस एक्टिवेट अपने आप ये सेल्स अभी वो कितना लेके आया था मेरे पास नहीं आया था वो लेके आया था वो क्वेरी कर रहा था
And if you have noticed, the edit icon is a little bit different from the usual edit icons.
पूरा लिखा था
Since we have added the prompt template to it, it has been changed. So whenever you want to generate a value for this field, you can just click on the edit icon and
एडिट पे क्लिक करो
click this sparkle button.
यहाँ खुल जाएगा साइड में राइट में
So when as soon as you click it, the prompt template will be fired in the background. And see, it is analyzing your request.
वही है जो
Came back with the value.
और उसको यूज करो यूज
This is the response it has come up with. If you are okay with this, you can just directly use the click on the use button
get against that
and the value get populated onto your field.
आगे
You can just save.
आ गया कॉपी हो गया
So
फील्ड बता दिया
this is simple, right? So whenever you want to generate a value for your field, you can just once you set up the template, you can just click on the button and fire it off, and it will come up with the value for you, and you can just save it. You don't have it has eliminated a lot of manual work for your
डेटा क्लाउड में कैसे आता है लेकिन उसकी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ना उसका नाम है
in the prompt.
डीएम उसमें
It's the first exercise. So we have seen how to create a field generation prompt.
उस टाइम पे याद नहीं बस तभी